If your wallet includes Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other cryptocurrency, you might already be familiar with the basics of digital currencies. But have you ever wondered about the fundamental differences between crypto coins and tokens? Understanding these differences is crucial for anyone looking to dive deeper into the world of cryptocurrencies. For instance, if you're trading on platforms like Uniswap, you're dealing with tokens. But if you're holding Bitcoin, you're dealing with a coin. So what exactly sets them apart? Let's break it down. But do you know the difference between a coin and a token? This distinction is more than just terminology. It's about understanding the underlying technology and use cases. All right, let's start with coins. Coins are the backbone of the cryptocurrency world. They operate on their own blockchains, which means they have their own independent ledger that records all transactions. Crypto coins, like Bitcoin and Ethereum, operate on their own blockchains. This independence allows them to function as digital currencies, similar to how traditional money works in the physical world. Think of them as the digital currency equivalent of traditional cash used for transactions, investing, or as a store of value. They're designed to be used as a medium of exchange, a unit of account, and a store of value. Now, tokens are a bit different. Unlike coins, tokens do not have their own blockchain. Instead, they are built on top of existing blockchains, leveraging the security and technology of these established networks. They're created on existing blockchains, usually Ethereum. This makes it easier and faster to create tokens compared to coins, as they don't require the development of a new blockchain from scratch. Imagine tokens as special access cards within a digital ecosystem. They can represent anything from voting rights to assets in DeFi applications. They can also be used to access specific services or products within a blockchain network. Coins are like the foundation of a house. They support the entire structure. Without a solid foundation, the house wouldn't stand. Similarly, without a robust blockchain, a coin wouldn't function. Tokens, on the other hand, are like the furniture and gadgets that make the house functional and unique. They add value and utility to the existing structure, enhancing its functionality and appeal. Examples of coins include Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. These are well-known cryptocurrencies that have their own blockchains and are widely used for various purposes, from transactions to investments. Tokens, think Uniswap, Chainlink, and USD Coin. These tokens are built on existing blockchains and serve specific functions within their respective ecosystems. Creating a coin is like building a new house from scratch. Requires a lot of resources and expertise. It involves developing a new blockchain, ensuring its security and maintaining its network. But creating a token, that's more like furnishing an existing house, much simpler and quicker. You're leveraging the existing infrastructure of a blockchain, which significantly reduces the complexity and cost. So, to sum it up, coins have their own blockchains and are mainly used as digital money. They are the fundamental building blocks of the cryptocurrency world, providing the necessary infrastructure for transactions and value storage. Tokens ride on existing blockchains and can represent a variety of assets or functionalities. They add layers of utility and functionality to the blockchain, enabling a wide range of applications and services. Now you know the difference between crypto coins and tokens. This knowledge will help you navigate the complex world of cryptocurrencies with greater confidence and understanding. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more crypto insights. Stay tuned for more in-depth explorations of the fascinating world of digital currencies.